students, in this video I am going to explain the process of appearing in JEE Mock Test 2, which is going to be conducted on 7th of June 2020. The timings of this test are from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So there are two processes for appearing in this exam. Both the processes are very simple, but if there are few steps which are different in both the processes, so I will explain those steps in this video. Now you must have received one message which contains this link which is written over here. Now to appear in the test, you just have to click in this link and it will take you to this website of David online learning environment, in which you have to enter your username and password and click on this login button to log in into the system. Now this is a direct process because you are directly going into the test, so it will land you to this particular page which contains some instructions about JEE Main Mock Test 2. Read these instructions carefully, and some messages are there which tells you about how many attempts are there, the duration of the test, start time and the end time, and the time limit of 3 hours. Now click on this attempt quiz now button and it will start your quiz. Fine. And if this button does not appear on your login, you just have to refresh the page or press F5 button. Now this is the process 1. Now I'm going to discuss the process 2 of how to appear in this JEE Mock Test 2 exam. Now if you don't have this address with you, you simply go to david.genomium.com website. You will reach at the login page again. Enter your username and password here. Click on the login button. Now it will take you to the dashboard of your account. Now you can see there are two places where your name will appear. One place is somewhere here and second is at the top right corner of the dashboard. Now you have to see on the left hand side there is a JEE button. Click on this button. Now this button will take you to the JEE Main Page 2020 page. Now on this, when you reach at this page, scroll down and reach at the bottom of the page, and there you can see JEE Main Mock Test 2 2020 with some instructions. Click on this particular message or the information JEE Main Mock Test 2 2020. Now it will take to you the JEE Main Mock Test 2 2020 page. Now this page is similar to the process 1 page. You have some set of instructions and time allowed is also mentioned here. The start time and the end time and the duration is also mentioned here. Click on the attempt quiz button and you will be able to appear in the exam. And if this button does not appear on your screen, again you have to refresh your page or either press F5 button to view this button. Right. These are the two processes through which you can appear in JEE Main Mock Test 2. Now after completing your quiz and submitting all the responses, you can see there is a small arrow here, downwards arrow here. Click on this arrow and there is a logout button. You just click on the logout button to log out of the system. So it's very simple process. Don't have to be worried about any of the processes. So either you can follow process 1 or process 2, both are very simple. I wish you all the luck for this test. Thank you.